doing?
You guys are doing great. Chalked it.
That was hard.
Today is our Grid Life Laguna. Shut up!
I got it!
Today is Grid Life. No, continue. Fixing my mistakes. Today is Grid Life prep for Laguna. It's gonna be a good one. So it's a local event for us. Technically, it's like 6-7 hours away. We just went through the whole trailer and kind of brought out some of the stuff that we don't need. Basically our 295 GT radials, our spare motor, just making a little bit more room so that we can get everything we need, including this big old boat out there. So a couple little low-hanging fruit tasks, like getting this engine stand together. That's been in a bunch of pieces, so I knew we were missing a piece of hardware too. So if we were to need that, it would have been this little amount of effort that it took now to put it together. So I was like, let's get this thing together so that we don't need it, right? And otherwise, just going through and tearing down some of our dead GT radials from Z-Con. Jackson's fixing my little boo-boo from Z-Con. We got Andre Sanoan out here getting the tires mounted up. We're going through doing a Mobil 1 fluid change. But yeah, this thing is gonna go out, and Jackson's putting a little bit of elbow grease into it because he's gonna be ripping it.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. So I'll be in the NOS Energy Z, of course, and we're gonna bring out the Optima M so that we can get some laps in the 4-seater. So recruited Jackson to pilot this hot rod. It's a big one, so it'll be a good time. Big car, big track, dude.
Oh yeah.
You gotta just keep it wooded.
Stay in the wood the whole time. It's a little bit bigger than the 240.
Yeah, it's kind of like the 240 though. Just keep your foot on the floor and it'll work.
Just keep the foot down and just steer it.
Yeah, just a little. Keep cutting in.
A little handbrake here and there.
But yeah, just moving some of this stuff around. Big old trailer shuffle, car shuffle, car banging. And then we still got Devin over here shredding on the off-road truck, which is going racing in 2 weeks. So Laguna this weekend, off next weekend, and then we're gonna be launching this thing here in 2 weeks down in Mexico. So that is the plan. Whoa, brother.
Sorry.
Do you need assistance?
No, we good.
I don't think you are. Oh boy. I think I might need to lend a hand here. You already got 2 guys on the job, brother.
No, I just got here. So I just got here, okay? Working that out.
All right. Jackson. Supervision.
I'm gonna start doing this. Just looking at them. You guys are doing.
Oh, you're doing great. We're doing great. Oh. All right. I'm gonna stop watching. I think when I watch, it gets worse.
Yeah.
When the cameras come out, everybody starts making mistakes.
Everybody gets clammy.
Everybody gets real nervous real fast.
I told Owen, I hope it makes it to.
Okay.
Hope the internet.
Oh, look, you got one. Jackson, can we buy a new tire machine? Dude, I saw this. Apparently there's a Temu tire machine that like kicks ass.
Really?
Yeah, I saw some videos where it's like month 2. Like, Temu tire machine still ripping. It was like $1,200.
Oh wow. Dude, the Eastwood one is like 15 or 1600, and one of my buddies has had one of those for like 3 years.
Really?
New battery going in.
I promise. I swear.
Oh yeah. I think I just told Owen it's far from good, but good from far.
They just take it to the edges and don't have to be replaced and cut it on the car.
Every person that knows Raph in the comments is like, "Oh my God, you cut it on the car!" But you know.
We'll zoom out. Looks better.
Pretty good. Just a little scruffy,
Yeah,
but works just fine.
Where's Liz? Pierre.
Oh my God, it's so good. Coming down, starboard. That's fucking sick. It even has the remnants of an NPR performance sticker on that thing.
Yeah, dude. Oh yeah, holes lined up and everything. Perfect.
Oh, fancy. Oh, it's got
Just so happen to have a spare.
NPR for shipping hardware.
You guys laugh at me for that front room.
I don't laugh. I yell.
I'm gonna say she's in.
She's in.
She is in.
It's like New Balances.
Oh yeah, dude, they're in. So I've been told. Brother.
Dude, check me out. This is way better. It's also a Corkscrew 4020.
Brother, I'm calling like at least like 3/8.
Brother.
Oh, yeah!
All right.
Yeah! Moving up.
Oh. They're like dead even. We're just gonna take a little out of both sides.
Alright.
They probably got put in when this fucking thing was in a parking lot and seen it. They wouldn't do anything cool.
Yeah. Oh my god, dude, this thing's about to be so much better.
Fuck yeah.
Alright. That is one ready hot rod.
Hot rod! Hot rods! Flipping one.
Do you know what Newton Speedway is?
Just getting some Dodge maintenance going too. Alright, now floor it, Jackson.
I see you still haven't forgotten.
Don't, no, not for a while. I'm not gonna live that one down for a hot minute. Well, yeah, so getting some fresh oil going in the Dodge. Same thing, 100%, just tightening this whole rig up. Got a nice little wash job. Felix, our boy, is getting us all cleaned up. So yeah, we're pumped. We're feeling good. So it's time to call it. Look at that. 6:03. I'll call that a good time. We're shooting for 6 o'clock. What are you doing? What are you doing? There you go. We're shooting for a 6 o'clock departure, so I'd say we made it. Yeah, car's in, loaded up. Boys just fired the truck, and yeah, just gonna head home, pack up, come back, meet everyone in the morning. Off to Laguna. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so stoked for this event. So stoked.